Adding icons that link to external sites from your Onescreener page is really easy. Click on Add Content, Icons, and hit the plus link icon button. Put in the name of the icon, the URL, and choose it. In order to change the position or the style of the icon, go back to the main page and hit Design. Go to the Customize button at the bottom and hit Positioning. On the right, you'll see the Icons button. You can choose left, right, in the corners, or in the center. To change the style, go into Style. Once again, Icons. You can change the color, the shape, the border size, and the size. You can add up to 7 links on your Onescreener page. We limit it so that it keeps the design of your page cleaner. If you go to your list of visible icons, you'll notice that to the right of each one, you can choose to delete, edit, or hit the diamond icon. That's the diamond links feature that simply makes that particular icon twice as big so that it's more likely to attract the attention of your visitors. To add a text icon to your page, click on the plus link icon button. At the top left, you'll see plus text icon. This can be a short introduction to your company, brand, or cause, a short bio, or your entire life story. It's really up to you. Just give the icon a name and enter the text. Hit Add Text, and you'll see that a text icon is automatically generated on your page. You can also add smart features to your page. The smart features connect to Onescreener Manager. It's the back-end administrative solution that helps keep track of your bookings, schedules, and finances. Click on the plus link icon button, and at the top right corner you see the plus smart feature button. You can add a Book Now button or booking request form, which allows bookers to get in touch with you directly and hire you. You can add a public profile icon. This allows you to display photos, riders, and tech information. Or you can also add a Next Gigs or Upcoming Gigs icon. These will be streamed directly from those gigs you enter into your Onescreener Manager.